Here we are looking at a top 10 favorite card trick of mine, which is actually 4 tricks in one because they all use the keep it simple, silly, Simon Says stack type of technique, which you can find out more about in the description. But I'll probably only speak in code and you'll have to figure it out. But you have a volunteer come up and they can cut the cards as many times as they want. Or they can have me, the magician, cut it. And at any point they feel ready, they could say stop. For example, if they said stop right here, I would say, okay, I think I know what your card is. Count down 20 cards. And so we take the deck and we count down 20 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then I would guess that this card that you turn over would be the 2 of hearts. Let's see if I'm right. And indeed I am. It's easy when you know the trick. Now we'll move on to the second magic trick using this same keep it simple, silly, Simon Says stack. It's the traditional pick any card. Let's say they pick this card. Cool. Now what I'm going to do is look through the deck for my Agatha Christie's and my Cagney and Lacey's. In other words, my female detectives. I found one. Let me try to find another. And I found another. Cool. Now at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have them, I'm going to put them at certain ports of the deck. Place this one face up, turn the deck over, and do the same thing with this one. Put this one face down. And I'm going to try to get, as we said in the previous magic trick, the deck knows. So let's see. 2 piles. And it appears that pile number 2, if all goes well, will be the stack that we keep, and we'll get rid of the first pile. And that indeed is the case. We'll get rid of this one, and we'll use this one. And this time it looks like we'll be keeping pile 1. I'm pretty sure we will. Notice our prediction's been here the whole time in front of our face. Get rid of pile 2. Finally, we'll also keep pile number 1. And this should do it. And indeed it does. You had your card that you picked the whole time. I had my detectives go out on a hunt. And when we turn this over, we see that you have the 2 of hearts. In between my two detectives, 2 of diamonds. Pretty amazing. We'll move on to the third of the 4 tricks that uses this keep it simple, silly, Simon Says stack. And again, we'll ask that you pick any card. In this case, let's say you pick that card. Don't even look at it. Just we'll keep it here in our vicinity the whole time. And now what we're going to do is the deck knows. So we're going to have the deck tell us. First thing we want to know is what color is it? So we'll go C-O-L-O-R. Did I spell that right? C-O-L-O-R. Turn over the next card. and it's red. And now we want to know, okay, well, what's the number? N-U-M-B-E-R. And it's a queen. So now we need to know, is it a queen of hearts or a queen of diamonds? So we'll go M-A-T-C-H-I-N-G-C-A-R-D. And since this is a queen of hearts, that means that this must be a queen of diamonds. Let's see if we're right. And yes, indeed, we are right. So that's 3 of the 4 tricks. To hear the 4th trick, go to the description box and I'll have details how that 4th trick works using the Keep It Simple, Silly Simon Says stack.